Hi everyone. This is the companion video for section 8.5 on amortized loans. In this video, we're going to go through how to use Excel in answering these questions. I just have three, hopefully, quick examples in this short video. On the Chapter 8 spreadsheet that you download from my math lab, at the bottom here, we have the sections 8.2, 8.4, and way over here on the right, there's 8.5. You can click these arrows, and it'll take you over to those two tabs in the Excel spreadsheet for section 8.5. I'm on the first one. Let me zoom in a little bit here. It's titled Mortgage Payment Calculator, but really you can use it for the section 8.5 questions. They don't have to deal with mortgage, though they can, but you're looking at ones where you're trying to determine the monthly payment, okay? So in this first example, we have an amortized loan for $10,000 to buy a new car. Yearly interest rate is 18%, paying it off in 4 years. What is the monthly payment? So you go to your spreadsheet. Hopefully you're getting used to this. We're going to change the amount to $10,000. We're going to leave the payment as monthly because it says monthly. We're going to change the years to 4 years. And we're going to change the interest rate. Notice here it's 4.5%, so it's already in percent form. We do not need to change that to 0.18. So I'll leave it as 18%. There's a percent sign. Okay, and so for this first one, the monthly payment, boom, there it is over there. The math is already done for you, $293.75. That's awesome. Okay, so pretty quick. That's our payment every month for 4 years on our $10,000 car purchase. All right, next example. Let me find it here. All right, now we're buying a car, but we're determining the price that we can afford, right? So we have $200 that we set aside each month for our car payment. How much car can I buy? So I'm going to go to my other tab here for section 8.5. Let me zoom in on this one. Yeah, that's better. Present value of an annuity. Okay, this is 8.5 present value. We have $200 that we can spend. So I'm going to change that first box to $200. And it is a 4-year car loan. So I'm going to change my number of years to 4. And my car loan has an interest rate of 12%. Notice it's in decimal form. So I'm going to convert that to 0.12. And the present value of this annuity, or the amount that I can afford to take out a loan for, is $7,594.79. All right. So that's how you use that one. So don't change these two green boxes here. Only the top 4, and the number of compoundings per year. That only changes if you're doing something other than monthly. If it says that it's monthly payments, then leave that as 12. All right. One more quick example just to kind of show you the impact of your interest rate in this section. In this last one, we have $20,000 in student loan debt. Student loan debt is terrible. Try to avoid it at all costs. And it's currently set at an interest rate of 10% because I got a loan through someone stupid, and I can refinance it for 4%. All right, so we're just going to look at this real quick and compare what the payment would be in both scenarios. Okay, I'm not going to compute how much interest you'll save, so I'm going to leave not do part C. All right, but if I take out $10,000, so here I've got it filled in, $10,000. Oh no, $20,000. Excuse me. So $20,000. Leave the payments at 12. Number of years, this is 10 years to pay off my student loans, and my interest rate is 10%. Monthly payment, $264.30 every month for 10 years, because I had to take out student loans, unfortunately. My student loan debt might be a little bit higher than that. Hopefully yours is much lower. If it stays at 0, then that's awesome. But I mean, a lot of people have to take out student loans in order to get through college, but try to avoid it if you can. All right. Now, what was I going to do? Oh yeah, that's right. If we refinance our loan at 4%, what does that do to the payments? Okay, so if it's still $20,000 for 10 years, but instead of 10% interest, I have 4% interest rate. Whoa, it drops my payment down by more than $60. It was $264, now it's $202. So I'm saving $62-ish per month just by getting that lower interest rate, which is fantastic. All right. Um, and you could actually compute $62 over 10 years every month. 62 times 12 times 10 is a ton of savings. And that's only interest, right? You have to pay the 20 grand back, but I would like to pay as little interest as I can. All right, so that helps you with the spreadsheet for this section. 8.5, make sure you find those two tabs in the Chapter 8 spreadsheet. Let me know if you have any questions on using the spreadsheet. Make sure you do not use the formula. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.